Hey, how's it going, guys? Today I'm checking out this CleanTech air purifier that was sent in by CleanTech, and it's available for around $250 on Amazon. I do want to thank the company for sending this out, and full disclaimer, this is my first time trying out an air purifier, so I'm not really familiar with all the specifications and tech on it, and there's really not much around the box. That's why I'm not sharing it or showing you around it. In the box is the wall outlet, and then underneath that, looks like this is a user guide. The actual purifier itself, it's not as heavy as I imagined it to be. And then nothing really else in the box. This thing may look bigger than it really is. It's just about 17 inches tall, a little more than 17 inches. On the top is a power button with two modes, 2 hours max and 24-hour minimum. One of them is louder than the others and more powerful than the other. I'm guessing it might be the 2-hour mode. The filters down here, you can easily open it up by unscrewing this. So once these are screwed out, you can get to the filter. This is the HEPA filter that needs to be replaced every 6 to 12 months. And it's sold separately. They do sell it. It comes with this, of course. And the UV light is inside as well. You don't have to worry about radiation because, obviously it's packed inside, so you won't be able to, you don't have to worry about that. And then the wall outlet, or to place the wall outlet, it's right here. Once it's turned on, there's going to be 2 red lights. You can just press it once. You got to press it down kind of hard. Not too hard though, and then it'll turn on to 2 hour. 2 hours kind of strong. I can feel like having kind of the air up here. And there's another one, the 24-hour mode, which is going to be a lot more quieter. Once it's on, you can also see the UV light that's running under there. And this does have radiation, so that's why there's these like kind of 4 walls blocking it. When placing this in a room or living room, you're gonna want to make sure that this is about 20 centimeters away from everything, at least. Then you can just turn it on, and I'll set it for 2 hours and see what happens. Wow, that fan noise is actually pretty loud. I probably won't be able to sleep with it on. Who knows? And one simple solution for most people, or some people, can be to just open the window here. But in my case, it's not really going to work too well because there's a lot of dust that comes from outside because we live on a main street. We live right next to a main street, so there's a lot of dust that comes in, and so that's why this would be beneficial. Found out something interesting. So after 2 hours, this turns into slow mode, and it'll just stay on until you turn it off manually. Also, this light down here, this is the UV light, and I'm just a little concerned on whether or not this can be a hazard or a safety hazard, because this light does produce radiation, or emit radiation, but it is mostly blocked off. So this is what the air filtration looks like. Looks like it caught some cloths, and it's a little hard to tell on video, even in person, just seeing it, but I hope you can kind of tell from this. And it looks like there's some stuff on the UV light, because it's not too clean. If I try to zoom in, hope you can see that. Like some dust particles, it looks like, at least. Or I think this is the best I can do with my camera, but you can kind of tell there's some stuff there. I'm not sure if we take this out and clean it up. There wasn't really anything in there. But either way, it looks like it works. And just one other thing is that my room did smell clean. It had that clean smell, almost like when you're in a hospital, kind of something similar to that. And this stuff can be found in hospitals too, but it looks like now it's becoming more affordable to have it at home. One thing I wish I had was some type of monitor to check the CADR, clean air delivery rate, or something similar like CO2 levels if they went down. I did try asking the company, and I got didn't get a direct response of the CADR levels, because I myself don't have a monitor to check the air quality. So I'm going to try to see if I can get one for the next video. But either way, if you guys have any recommendations for reliable air monitors to check clean air quality or something along those lines, then let me know down in the comments below. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Turn it up. Let's go.